Hello learners, today we're gonna learn how you can disable and enable your laptop touchpad because you might face some problem that your touchpad isn't working, so you can try it out. So let's go. Sometime it might happen that your laptop touchpad is not working well, so you might have to disable and then enable it to check that whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so for that first you have to go to the settings option. You will go to the settings option, then you have to go to the devices. You will click on the devices and then there is the option touchpad. You will click on the touchpad. Here is the touchpad option. So in this you have to just click on the off. Now if you want to, if you try to move your mouse from your touchpad, it won't work. Okay, then for that you can use external mouse to again click on the switch on button, or you can just use your tab button. Okay, click on the tab, go up, click on the tab. See, you can see in the advanced gesture, then tab again, tab again, tab, 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 tab. Now here when it comes in the touchpad off option, you have to click spacebar and it will become on, and might your cursor will work again. Okay, in this way. So in this way you can do it. There is another way. It is just a shortcut option. Click, you have to press like window plus I. It will again go to that setting option. Okay, and then you can repeat the same process. So if your touchpad is not working, you can check this one option through disable and enable it again. It might work.